Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add overlay photos on top of another picture in your Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, tap the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Post. Next, choose the photo you want to use as the background from your gallery. Once selected, tap Next. On the next screen, you'll see different options at the top. Tap on the photo icon to open your gallery. Choose the photo you want to overlay on the background. Now, you can resize the overlay photo by using 2 fingers. If you'd like to apply different styles to the overlay image, just tap on the picture. You can also add multiple photos this way. Once you're happy with your post, tap Next. Finally, add a caption, tags, and location if needed. Then tap Share to post your photos. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.